Before you start to make a cross-sectional view, go to the Assembly tab and turn your model around so that you're looking at the front of your robot. Then have a look at what the view cube is saying. In my case, it says that I'm looking at the back. So now I'm going to bring in a back view into my drawing. Go to the Drawing tab and create a new page if you want one. Select Import View, click Assembly and set the view to back and the scale to 1:1. Move your mouse near the right side of the drawing sheet and click to place the view. Press Escape to exit the placement tool. Then choose Section View and move your mouse onto the drawing sheet. Snap the vertical line to the center of the view and move the mouse to the left. Click to place the section view. Zoom in on the section view and you will notice that some of the cross-hatching needs fixing up. Right-click on one of the hatched areas and select Edit Hatch Section. This might not do much, so click on the hatched area again. The rest of the dialog box should now appear. Select General and in the pattern area select the drop-down arrow and scroll till you find Parallel Lines. The hatching lines might be too far apart, so try setting the scale to 0.5 and see if it looks better. Also, the angle of the hatch lines might not look good on that part, so you can try setting the lines to a different angle. Parts which are next to each other should have different hatch angles, so you can see where one part stops and the next starts. Check all the hatch patterns and adjust them until your drawing looks good. Finally, this is a good place to put the length, width and height overall dimensions of your robot. Failure to do this will result in a not achieved. Finally, this is a good opportunity to look for errors or places where two parts seem to be occupying the same space. You can tell this because their cross-hatching parts seem to overlap. The way to fix this is to go back into your model and stop the parts from overlapping.